So today we are going to see about the if statement. In the if statement, the conditions are given, and if the condition is true, then the statement get executed, and if the condition is not true, then the statement doesn't get executed. As we are seeing that in this, there is the if condition is given, and then the statement get executed if the condition is true. And by the flowchart means it can be like this: enter and it tests the conditions. If the condition is true, then it gets into the true block, or else it gets into the it adds the condition if the condition is false. So if the condition is true, then the statement gets executed, and if the condition is false, then the program stops and nothing is printed. So let us see one program. I have written this program already. In this we have included two header files, include studio.h and include conic.h, and then the void main. From here the execution of the program gets started, and then we have initialize a, as we are going to use a, and then we have given the value of a as 15. All these things are ended by semicolons, and then the if statement gets started. In if, we write if, then two brackets, and then the condition is that if a is less than or equal to 20, printf that the number is less than 20, and these two curly brackets are given. So the if statement is started from this first curly brackets and ended at this last curly bracket, and this get ch is must for all the program, and it is written here. This should be not in the if curly bracket. So let us run this program. It should print as this condition is satisfied, as it the value of a we have given 15, and in the condition is that a should be less than or equal to 20. So the printf then the number is less than 20 should be printed. So let us see. As we are seeing that the number is less than 20 is printed. So if we increase the value of a by greater than 20, like take 40, then let's see what happened. See, nothing is getting printed as the if condition is not satisfied. So if the condition would have been satisfied, then the printf works. If the condition is not satisfied, then nothing happens. So thanks for watching this. I will discuss if else statement in the next lecture.